This is Jim from Absolute Control Irrigation Specialist. I want to welcome you to our channel, another episode of Tips from the Swamp. In this video, I'm going to show the difference between the output modules originally used in the Par Plus series, called the Rom 8, and the output module currently used, the OSM. The Rom 8 stood for Relay Output Module, 8 indicated number of stations. They looked like this. The OSM, which came later, stands for Output Station Module. And they came later, and they actually have an LED light indicator on them to let you know what stations are operated. And in some cases, they actually have a switch which allows you to turn them on and off at the timer without using the face panel. The differences between these two have to do with how the lightning protection was developed in them. The OSM changed the lightning protection that the Rom 8 had. The Rom 8 has been in use for some time. And the older Par Pluses that were able to use them can still use them. They are a repairable item. It's not something that you need to replace with the more expensive OSM. So, if you need the Rom 8s repaired and your system is capable of working with them, by all means, have them repaired. They are a repairable item. Parts are still available. The way that you know if your system will operate with the Rom 8s would be indicated on the face panel. If you plug the Rom 8 into your Par Plus satellite and you turn it on and it tells you it has an incompatible OSM, you have a newer style Par Plus face panel and it will not run Rom 8 units. You do have to use the OSM because of a registration circuit that's built into them that the faceplate looks like. But there are several years where the Par Plus was made using the Rom 8s and there was no problem with them operating. So yes, they are repairable. And they are less expensive than the typical OSM. I hope this has let you know why the Rom 8 is still a viable, usable product. I hope you enjoyed the video and that it was helpful. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Please subscribe to our channel so you do not miss any new videos. We also appreciate your comments and suggestions. Remember, we will provide you a shipping label and we promise you a quick turnaround on all repairs. Visit us on our website at www.absolute-control.com. Thank you from the Gator with Tips from the Swamp.